Welcome back, students. Let us continue the arithmetic progression exam solved problems. That is, here we continue with the next question. Here the first question is, in this class the ninth term of an AP is equal to 7 times the second term, and 12th term exceeds 5 times the third term by 2. Find the first term and the common difference. So now we just see what are the data given here. So first step, let the first term of AP be A and common difference be D. This is the first step. So now we go on write what are the given data. So first is, that is the ninth term. First, what they have given in the question, see the first line. Ninth term of an AP is equal to 7 times the second term. So this is the equation for the first statement in the question. So write down, split this. We can write this one as A in A plus 8D is equal to 7 into A plus D. So this is the equation 1. So now next step, that is and next part of the question is the 12th term, that is A12 exceeds 5th term 5 times, exceeds 5 times the third term. Third term will be A3, exceeds by 2 plus 2. This is the second statement of the question. Now we write, that is this can be split and again written as A plus 11D is equal to 5 into A plus 2D plus 2. This is the second equation. So we got by taking the two statements in the equation, we got the first and second 1 and 2 expressions. So now we solve this. So what happens, we solve this one will become A is equal to, that is split this, A plus 11D is equal to 5A plus 10D plus 2. So now we will simplify this, all these things. By simplifying we'll get, that is minus 6A plus D is equal to 0 we get. Simplifying this A and D, we get minus 6A plus D is equal to 0. Keep this one as equation 3. So two statements in the problem, we made it two equations. By solving this we get minus 6A plus D is equal to 0. So from equation, that is 2, so we get A plus 11D is equal to, that is 5A plus 10D plus 2. So this one 7A, this one is by solving the first one. So third expression we got solving by first equation. Then next year we solve this one, we get this fourth expression. So what is this? This also split, we'll get minus 4A plus D is equal to, just simplifying the expressions, that's all. Bringing D to this side or bringing A to this side, making A all one common and D one common. We get two expression. This will get, that is fourth equation. So now subtracting, that is 4 from 3. So now take both the expression we got simplified. Write down here, that is 4a plus d is equal to 2. Then minus 6a plus d is equal to 0. We'll simplify this. So put here plus, then minus, then minus. These two goes. Then we have, that is minus 4a plus 6a will becomes, that is minus 2a is equal to, this is plus 2a is equal to 2. Then we get, that is a is equal to 1 we are getting. So now from 3 substitute for a is equal to 1. So in the equation 3 substitute for a is equal to 1. We have minus 6a plus d is equal to 0. Then this one is a, minus 6 into, that is a is 1 plus d is equal to 0. Therefore finally what is the solution? We get minus 6 is equal to minus d, then minus cancel, d is equal to 6. Therefore hence we can write hence first term. So first term equal to 1 and common difference I'll write CD, that is d is equal to 6. So we got both the first term and the common difference we found out. So we finished the first one in this case. We move on to the second problem. So here divide 56 into 4 parts in the AP such that the ratio of the product of their extremes first and the fourth to the product of the middle, second and the third is 5:6. So we'll see what is the solution. So let the 4 parts, so they have asked in the question to make the 56 into 4 parts. So first step is solution, that is let the 4 parts be, that is we can take this one as a minus 3d, a minus d, then a plus d, a plus 3d. So these are the 4 parts. Therefore a minus 3d, so a minus 3d plus a minus d, add all this a plus d plus a plus, that is 3d is equal to 56. This is 56. Okay, so 56, so this 5:6, this is correct. 56 into 4 parts will become like this. So such that the ratio of the extreme is first and 4 to the product of, that is 2 and 3. So 1 we can write like this and 4 can be written as 3 here. So this one is for 1 and this one is for 4. So we finished. Next is, therefore we are solve this, we get 4a is equal to 56. That is how, that is here 3d is there, 1d, then here 3d is there. So this one cancel, this 3d cancels. So we get 4a is equal to 56. So a is equal to 56 by 4, which is equal to 14. So hence we can write hence 4 parts are, that is substitute for a in the above expression, 14 minus 3d, 14 minus d, that is 14 plus d and 14 plus 3d. So now according to the question, according to question, that is, write down this, that is 14 minus 3d into 14 plus 3d by, that is 14 minus d into 14 plus d. This is in the ratio 5:6. The ratio of these parts can be written as, that is 5/6 is given in the question. So next step is solve this. We get, multiply all these things. We'll get 190. Since I have already solved this, so I am directly writing 196 minus 9d square we get in the numerator. Then 196 minus d square will get in the denominator. Will be 5/6. Then we'll cross multiply these two. By cross multiplying, we get 196 into 6 minus 9d the square, which is equal to, that is 5 into, that is 196 minus d square. Multiply this, we'll get, that is 6 into, that is, we can write as this one, see 196 and 196 take outside and write as, that is 6 minus 5 is equal to, then this 49, this d square will become 49. So 49, but 196 can be written as this. See, this is common. Take this from here, 6 and 5. This simplify, 5, 9, and then here 9 into this one 5d. So here 6 into 9. After 6 into 9, add this 6 9s are, then 5 into d. So then simplify, we get 49d square. Therefore, d square is equal to 196 by 4 is, see, this simplification and all I'll not deeply or in detailly I write. Just you all should know when I write this, and just I'll write down the answer. You just calculate and see whether it's correct. So this one, since the d square is equal to 4, therefore d is equal to, finally, plus or minus 2 we get. So this is the solution for the second one. So we move on to the third problem. So here the given problem is, for what value of n, or the nth term of 2 APs. Nth term of 2 APs is 63, 65, 67 and 3, 10, 7 equal. So we'll write, there are 2 APs they are given. So first step is, let A and D and this is small a, this big A and capital letter A and D be the first term and common difference of the 2 APs. So here the solution, 2 APs are given. So we are taking AD and small AD and caps AD be the first term and the common difference of the 2 APs respectively. So next, so now write down this. A is equal to 63 and D is equal to 2, and this is given in the question. See, A is equal to 63 and the common difference is 2 here in the first case. So in the next case, A is equal to this one. This is the first AP, this is the second AP. A is equal to 3 here and the common difference 10 minus 3 is 7. 17 minus 10 will be 7. So common difference will be 7. So there are 2 APs. So we wrote down the data here. So next, for this one expression we have, that is a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to a plus, here we write in the caps, here in the small letter, n minus 1 into d. These problems are already solved in the exercise, but this has appeared, these are all exam solved problems appeared in the exam. So continue, write down the data. 63 will substitute. So we have to find out n, then here d is 2, here in this case 3 plus, that is n minus 1 into 7. So we get this as 63 plus 2n minus 2 is equal to here 3 plus, that is 7n minus 7. So simplify this, we'll get, that is 61 will get here 61 plus 4 is equal to here 7n minus 2n will get, n bring to the other side, all the numbers to the one side. We'll get here 65 is equal to, that is here 7n minus 2n is 5n. Therefore n is equal to 65 by 5, which is equal to 13. Finally, therefore we are getting, when n is 13, the nth terms are equal. So this is the solution. When n is 13, the nth term are equal. Therefore, that is, we can write as A13 is equal to caps A13. So n is same in this case. So here finally what we can write, therefore n is 13, the n terms are equal, that is A13 is equal to small a13 is equal to caps A13. So this is the solution to. We'll move on to the next problem. Here the problem given is, that is, if the 10th term of the AP is 52 and the 17th term is 20 more than the 13th, find the AP. So here, so we'll directly write down, that is the nth term of the AP is 52, they have given, that is we can write A plus, that is 9D is equal to 52, this as the first expression. Then also we have that is A17, that is the A17 term minus of, that is they have given 17th term is 20 more than the 13th term. That is, therefore A17 minus A13 is equal to 20. Then we'll expand this and write 16D minus A plus 12D, which is equal to 20. Then we simplify this one, we get 4D is equal to 20, where D is equal to 5. Now substituting the value D is equal to 5 in one equation. So what happens, A plus, that is 9 into 5, which is equal to 52. There we get, therefore A plus, that is 9 5s are 45 is equal to 52. Therefore A is equal to, we get 7. Therefore we have to write AP here. So what is the AP? AP is A, we have got 7. AP is equal to 7. 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. 17 plus 5 is equal to 22. This is the AP found out. We wrote the two expression given in the problem, that is first one A10 is equal to 52. Then one more expression, that is A17 minus A13 is equal to 20. We solved this and found out D is equal to 5. Then substituted in the expression 1 and then we got A. Then by getting this A is 7 and D is equal to 5, we got the AP. 7 plus 5, 12 plus 5, 17 plus 5. This is the AP. So this is the solution for the today's class problems. If you have any doubt, comment me, subscribe my channel. Thank you.